On Thursday, the Ministry of Education, in collaboration with the Caribbean Development Bank, officially opened the Beterverwagting Practical Instruction Department as part of the initiative to implement technical and vocational training across Guyana. Minister of Education Prem Chan highlighted that the skills being taught at these new institutions are needed to address today's evolving and emerging sectors.
I guarantee you, once you leave with your CVQ, and if you take it further, that you will earn more per day than many of us who went through the traditional pathways.
Meanwhile, the ministry's Chief Education Officer Saddam Hussein highlighted that students from all across the east coast of Demerara should capitalize on the resources.
There is something in this TVET that causes students to gravitate towards it. They enjoy it, they like it, and it's something that is going to keep them in school. It's something that is going to ensure that we have a higher matriculation rate.
Deputy Chief Education Officer Dr. Ritish Tolaram added that the institution is equipped with state-of-the-art equipment for the students to utilize. The school was initially scheduled to open its doors last year, but experienced setbacks.
We had some additional works that were done this year, and those works totaled about $68 million.
The institution was constructed to the tune of $225,468,256, with its title being the expansion and rehabilitation of the BVPIC, and will see students from the East Coast Corridor in attendance. They will also cater for persons who are working and are willing to attend evening classes. For HGP Nightly News, I am Dacia Richards.